everybody, this is Linda, and today, as you can see, I'm going to drop some sweet potatoes, that's what I'm doing. Now these two small ones, they were just beginning to make the slips, but I'm just going to drop them just the way they are, just the way they are. Now, as I have said many times when I was a kid, my grandmama, she never made slips. Nope, she didn't make slips. What she did, she just put the potatoes in the soil. That's what we did. But today, this is what I'm doing, and these are from this potato. Let me see if y'all can see what I'm doing. That potato. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put Big Mama right on in here with them. Oh wow, okay. I was looking at some birds. But I'm gonna put it right here. So I'm gonna put this one just right here in the middle. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, take these two smaller ones. You're gonna put them in here. So I'm thinking that today is March 5th. It's March 5th, and you know, everybody have their own way of doing what they do. Well, family, this is just my way. That's all. Let me get down, deep in there, baby. Get in there, big mama. Get in there. All right. So now I'm just gonna plant these beautiful. I'm covering stuff. All right, we're gonna put it here. So it is here. And this is my new 100-gallon grow bag. This one was also sent to me by Backchild Roots Homestead. Thank you, Chris and Cheryl. There it is there. And this one, they are very long, y'all. Very long. They were all getting to be all over my kitchen sink. Alright. And I'm going to use this water to get in, and I'm going to give it to them. Yep. They like it. They like it. So, here's another one. Here. I have amended the soil with some bean meal and a little bone meal. So I had a small amount of bone meal left. So I put that in there with some bean meal that I did this morning. Yeah. All right. Is that all of them? I think that's all of them. Yeah. That's it. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Yay. So now, let me just get this water too. And I'm going to go and I'm going to get this hose and water them down. That's it. The sweet potatoes are planted March 5th, 23. Yeah. If you plant flowers, they will show up. You want beneficial insects in your garden? Drop your flowers. They will show up. They will show up every time. It's all about the food, baby. It's all about the food. All right, so these are my potatoes in my pickaboo bag. And I'm just going to roll my bag up now. And I'm going to mix this soil. So I have some peat moss and some used soil. And I'm going to put it on this baby. Now I may have to get some more, but that's okay. Whatever we gotta do, that's what we're gonna do. Alright. Okay. So this is it. So I just filled it up some, but there she is. She's ready to start growing again. Oh man, I covered that up, but that's okay. She can see the sun. She'll be all right. All right, guys. So, of course, these are my onions. And, yeah, they're doing really, really, really good. As you can see, they're growing and looking absolutely gorgeous. These are the Texas Sweets. And these are the Creole girls over here. Probably will not be featured in this video, but maybe the next video, that I will be giving all of these onions, both 100-gallon grow bags, bone meal. And when I feed them this bone meal, I am going to also give them some super juice and 511. That's going to water that bone meal in. Yeah, but that's what we're going to do. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. This is what it's. Oh, it's shaped like a garden pot. Gardener of the Year. Oh, so cute. I don't know who said it though. Let's see if they have a tag in here. Oh, and they got, look at the little spoon. It's shaped like a shovel. That is so sweet. I don't have a tag. So on the front it says Midland Gardener Mug Coffee Plant Holiday Birthdays. I don't know who sent it though. Wow. Let's see if there's a tag in here. There's no tag. There's nothing. But this is it, y'all. It's so cute. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Please contact me. Tell me. Tell me. This is so cute. Thank you so much. It's like a spoon, but it's a shovel, y'all. That is precious. Thank you. Thank you. But anyway, guys, I hope you all have a beautiful, beautiful Sunday. Yeah. And I hope to see you tonight in the live at 7 p.m. Central Time. We're going to be talking about gardening. We're going to be talking about our spring 23 garden. That's what's on the agenda for tonight. All right, guys. Later, y'all.